High Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make an Arduino on a breadboard by removing this ATMEGA 328 microcontroller and placing it onto the breadboard. These are the components that you're going to need to be able to create this project. Let's get started. What you're going to need is an ATMEGA 328P microcontroller, a 10k ohm resistor, two 22 picofarad ceramic capacitors, and a 16 megahertz oscillating clock crystal. Alright, so now let's go ahead and let's remove the microcontroller off from the Arduino by using this particular tool right here. If I may add, it actually is very difficult to remove this out of the Arduino because they're so tight and secure. There we go. And unfortunately I bent the legs when I did it. That's what you have to be careful of. So what I'm going to do is carefully straighten the legs out. I don't really recommend removing it out of the Arduino unless you don't mind risking the breaking of your microcontroller. But anyways, let's go ahead and take the microcontroller and place it onto the breadboard, just like that. There we go, perfect. Now I'm going to go and take my 10k ohm resistor and connect it to positive, which is 5 volts, so that way the microcontroller won't reset itself. Take my 16 megahertz clock crystal and connect it to pin 9 and 10. I'm going to go ahead and connect my 22 picofarad ceramic capacitor to both of the connections of the oscillating clock crystal and connect them both to ground. Perfect. Now I have my 3 jumper wires. Now I'm going to take this jumper cable and connect it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, pin 7, and place that into positive. Now I'm going to take my second jumper cable and connect it on pin 20, that one on 21, connect them both to positive, which is 5 volts. And as you can see, it's connected to this pin out right there. Now I'm going to go and connect pin 8 to ground and connect another jumper cable, pin 22 to ground. And as you can see, they're all connected just like that. But now I want to program this microcontroller. I could just simply go and take the microcontroller out and put it back into the Arduino, then program it like normal, and then take it out and place it back on. Don't really want to do that because it was difficult to take out and you can break the legs of your microcontroller. So I'm going to go ahead and connect the reset to the reset pin directly from the Arduino. Then I'm going to go and connect the TX and RX to pin 2 and to pin 3. The white and red is the RX and TX. And now I'm going to go ahead and connect ground to ground. And now I'm going to go and connect my LED over to pin 13. Connect ground to ground on the breadboard. Connect my USB cable and connect it so I can transfer the code. And I'm going to do the simple blink test code. And go ahead and upload it. There we go. TX and RX flashed. Now everything is programmed. Now connect to power. And there you have it. The LED is blinking. Now I can go ahead and remove the Arduino board and allow this to work independently. And there it is. And there you have it, your Arduino on a breadboard. This application can go in so many ways. You can also use a 7-segment display the exact same way. All you have to do is just go through the Arduino board and transfer the code onto your microcontroller onto your breadboard, and then you can program it. You can create anything you can imagine. And this is how you can reset your microcontroller, by simply taking out your resistor and touching it to ground. And then that causes it to reset. And there you have it. Thank you for watching SciTi Tech. Hope you learned something new, and hope you like and subscribe for more SciTi Tech videos. Thank you for watching SciTi Tech. Till the next tech. Goodbye.